Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Alia Bhatt looked incredibly graceful in a simple yet stunning Rani pink sari. She paired it with a matching blouse featuring subtle prints that enhanced its allure. Alia adorned her look with a delicate bindi, minimal makeup, and bold earrings. Adding a touch of edge, she sported a small nose ring. Her hair cascaded in beach waves, adding a final touch of beauty to her ensemble. Kiara Advani radiated elegance in a breathtaking black sari sourced from the exclusive collection of designer Tamanna Punjabi Kapoor. This exquisite piece boasted lavish gold borders, elevating its allure to new heights. Adding a touch of contemporary flair, Kiara paired the sari with a chic halter blouse, infusing the ensemble with a hint of sass and sophistication. Her hair, meticulously styled into a sophisticated bun, showcased a perfect balance of poise and grace, accentuating her overall look. Kiara's makeup exuded understated glamour, featuring glossy lips and subtly sculpted cheeks, emphasizing her natural beauty. In her choice of attire and makeup, Kiara Advani championed a timeless aesthetic characterized by classic warm glam and mesmerizing cold eyes. The sheer fabric of her sari, coupled with the opulent gold borders, rendered her ensemble ideal for occasions ranging from cocktail parties to grand receptions. Noteworthy was Kiara's selection of accessories, which included pieces from the renowned Amrapali jewels, skillfully tying her entire look together with elegance and finesse. To recreate Kiara's captivating beauty look, begin by applying an orange eyeshadow to the eyelids to establish a warm base. Next, delicately line both upper and lower waterlines with a kohl pencil, extending slightly at the corners to achieve a subtle winged effect. Smudge the kohl along the lower lash line for a soft, smoky appearance before enhancing the lashes with a coat of volumizing mascara. For a radiant complexion reminiscent of Kiara's, sweep a peachy pink blush onto the apples of the cheeks, blending upwards towards the temples to create a lifted effect. Finally, adorn the lips with a layer of clear or peachy pink gloss for a touch of luminosity. One of the most captivating aspects of Kiara Advani's beauty look is its accessibility, making it achievable for individuals of varying makeup expertise. Rakul Preet Singh made a dazzling entrance at the event, showcasing her unique style with a glitzy sari. The shimmering drape, designed by Manish Malhotra, added an extra layer of sparkle to her look. Her metallic blouse featured a sleeveless design and a plunging neckline, amplifying the glamour even more. Not only did the sari enhance her beauty, but it also highlighted her commitment to setting fashion trends. Accessorizing with large dangles, Rakul opted for a subtle nude makeup look, accentuated by flushed cheeks and perfectly arched brows. Completing her ensemble was a tidy bun updo, adding the final touch of elegance to her stunning appearance. Pooja Hegde recently wore flaunting a striking green silk sari, exuding timeless grace and elegance as she effortlessly draped the flowing fabric. The vibrant hue beautifully complemented her natural beauty and captivating on-screen presence, resonating with audiences. Hegde effortlessly embodies elegance in the gorgeously draped green silk sari, continuing to captivate hearts and set style trends with each public appearance. The sari's broad border, adorned with exquisite mirror sequins and kaddana work, stole the spotlight, while a hanging bugle bead and teardrop-shaped purple pearls added a fashionable touch. Pairing the sari with a matching purple bustier featuring mirror work and a sweetheart neckline, Hegde updated the traditional style effortlessly. In mastering the art of accessorizing, Pooja Hegde's latest look included dome-shaped jhumkas, serving as the centerpiece of the ensemble. Handcrafted with exquisite silver stones and adorned with layers of dazzling pearls, these jhumkas added a sense of grandeur to her attire. Styled by Tanya Ghavri, Hegde's natural elegance was further enhanced by expertly applied cosmetics. Framing her cheekbones for a flushed, dimensional look, her makeup artist accentuated her magnetic gaze with shimmering eyeshadow and mascara-coated lashes. A rich red lipstick adorned her full lips, completing the polished and poised look. Soft, curled tresses cascading over her shoulders perfectly balanced the glamour. Pooja Hegde's green silk sari ensemble is stunning and vibrant, with every detail immaculate, from the exquisite sari to the intricately crafted jhumkas and flawless makeup. Her flawless sense of elegance and grace is truly captivating. Mranal Thakur mesmerized in a stunning black sari from the fashion label Jade by Monica and Karishma. The traditional marvel boasted scalloped borders adorned with sequins throughout. Floral embroidery along the drape and pallu added an extra touch of charm to the shimmery ensemble. The actress enhanced her allure by pairing the sari with a matching full-sleeved blouse featuring delicate lace details. With her outfit exuding brilliance, she opted for a pair of stone-encrusted emerald green earrings as her sole accessory. Mranal enhanced her complexion with a powder blush fusion, opting for glossy lips and bold smoky eyes accentuated by mascara-coated lashes. Her hair cascaded in open curly tresses, completing the elegant look. Kriti Sanom opted for a vibrant hot pink sari adorned with mirrors, sequins, and kardana hand-embroidered work along the borders. She wore the sari in a traditional manner, draping the pleats at the front and allowing the pallu to cascade gracefully over her shoulder, reaching floor-sweeping length. Kriti matched the sari with a sleeveless net blouse that had a plunging neckline and a crop silhouette. To accessorize the ensemble, she adorned herself with a precious necklace embellished with an emerald stone, along with a coordinating ring. Completing the look, she opted for embellished hot pink-colored high-heeled pumps. Her makeup choices included smoky eyeshadow, defined brows, a pink lip shade, mascara-coated lashes, and a dewy base, adding to the overall glamorous appearance. She styled her hair in side-parted open locks, completing the stunning ensemble. Trisha Krishna stunned in a pre-pleated yellow sari adorned with reflective yellow sequins, a white pearl-embellished border, and feather and bead embroidery along the length and ends of the pallu. Embracing the traditional draping technique, she elegantly let the pallu cascade from her shoulder, sweeping the floor with grace. Teaming the sari with a matching yellow sleeveless blouse adorned with pearl embellishments and a deep neckline, Trisha added to the ensemble's allure. To complement her traditional look, she accessorized with pearl-adorned jhumkis, a gold bracelet, and coordinating high heels. Opting for center-parted open tresses, sleek black eyeliner, a glossy nude lip shade, shimmering gold eyeshadow, and a dewy base, Trisha accentuated her features with beaming highlighter and contouring, completing her glamorous appearance with blush cheeks. Disha Patni opted for a unique approach by choosing a subtle yet stunning brown hue for her attire. She adorned herself in a classic sari by Manish Malhotra, embellished with shimmering sequins, instantly setting herself apart from the crowd. Known for her preference for contemporary styles with feminine touches, the actress effortlessly embodied this aesthetic in her outfit. The monochromatic sequin pattern on the sari, along with the plunging halter neckline blouse, showcased Disha's ability to infuse modern elements into traditional attire. This bold fashion choice underscored her knack for redefining style conventions, creating a look that's both memorable and perfect for the festive season. Opting for minimal accessories, Disha allowed the intricacies of the sequin sari to shine. Her makeup complemented her outfit, featuring a dewy base, flushed cheeks, mascara-coated lashes, and glossy lips. The actress' natural and radiant makeup look added to her overall charm, highlighting her commitment to understated yet captivating beauty. The earthy tones of her ensemble perfectly captured the festive spirit, making her appearance ideal for the occasion. Her soft, open, and curled locks added a touch of elegance to the ensemble, completing the look with finesse. Disha's meticulous attention to detail and cohesive styling demonstrated her fashion expertise, blending tradition with modernity while embodying elegance, sophistication, and the essence of the festive season. Nayanthara, the epitome of grace and glamour in the South Indian film industry, made a grand entrance onto the red carpet, effortlessly stealing the spotlight with her radiant aura. Adorned in a resplendent lemon yellow silk sari, she showcased her impeccable sense of style, further cementing her status as a fashion icon. Known for her stellar performances on the silver screen, her choice of attire resonated with her penchant for elegance and sophistication. As she gracefully posed for the paparazzi, her smile lit up the event, captivating onlookers with its warmth and charm. Nayanthara's presence exuded an air of confidence and poise, effortlessly commanding attention with every step she took. Her ensemble, meticulously draped to perfection, accentuated her natural beauty and innate grace, drawing admiration from all quarters. Beyond her stunning appearance, her demeanor reflected a perfect balance of confidence and allure, showcasing her mastery of both on-screen and off-screen charisma. Her lemon yellow silk sari not only complemented her radiant complexion but also served as a testament to her timeless elegance and impeccable taste in fashion. Ananya looked stunning in a magnificent red sari designed by Arpita Mehta. Crafted from rich organza and silk blend, the sari boasted a deep crimson hue, adorned with beaded borders and a ruffled hemline that added a touch of elegance to its sheer fabric. True to her style, the actress infused a contemporary twist into her ensemble with her choice of blouse. Opting for a solid red blouse with a banded base and plunging neckline, the actress effortlessly elevated the traditional attire. To further enhance her look, Ananya accessorized with a studded cuff, a stone necklace, and green earrings, adding a pop of color to her ensemble. With her hair styled in waves and sporting a rose-toned makeup look, the beauty undoubtedly won hearts with her fashionable ethnic ensemble, effortlessly blending modernity with tradition. Malavika Mohanam treated her social media followers to mesmerizing images of herself, clad in a radiant yellow silk satin sari. The opulent silk fabric received a spicy upgrade with intricate goiter detailing along the border, adding an extra layer of allure to her ensemble. Pairing the sari with a sleeveless blouse, she achieved a seamless blend of traditional elegance and contemporary style. Accessorizing with large jhumkas and gold-toned bangles, she infused a regal touch into her overall look. Opting for a polished appearance, Malavika accentuated her eyes with kohl, spotted dewy makeup, and styled her hair in a middle part, cascading down in loose waves. Completing her ensemble with a beautiful bindi, the beauty effortlessly exuded timeless elegance and poise in the sari. Deepika Padukone looked enchanting in a blue sari, opting for a mesmerizing design by Sabyasachi that left us in awe. The sari featured an exquisite interwoven flower design with royal golden and pink tones that beautifully complemented the floral patterns. The broad golden border added a sense of regality to the attire, further highlighting her beauty. Teaming the sari with a full-sleeved blouse and a traditional round neckline, Deepika elevated the entire outfit to another level, leaving us speechless. She accessorized her lovely blue sari with a stone-encrusted thick choker necklace, boasting a gold-toned finish, which exuded grandeur and refinement, perfectly complementing the regal aura of the ensemble. Keeping her earrings simple with round studs allowed the spectacular necklace to shine. Her makeup featured a beautiful yet radiant base that flawlessly accentuated her gorgeous skin, with heavily flushed cheeks providing a healthy and youthful glow. Sparkling pink eye makeup brilliantly complemented her stunning eyes, while mascara-coated lashes and smeared eyeliner added a touch of sultriness. Completing her immaculate makeup look was a matte finish pink lipstick that brought an additional level of refinement to her appearance. Her hairstylist crafted a chic low bun with flawlessly disheveled yet precisely structured hair, featuring a center parting for a hint of class. Deepika once again showcased her love for full-sleeved blouses, perfectly draping the Sabyasachi sari. Skillfully arranged by her stylist, the breathtaking outfit reflected her distinctive flair. Captured by House of Pixels, the stunning images beautifully showcased Deepika's beauty and grace, highlighting her impeccable fashion instincts. Kirti Suresh left fans in awe with her striking appearance in a traditional silk sari adorned with over 1,000 real gold zari butters. The sari features a broad border and intricate gold zari detailing on both sides and the loose end, creating a stunning aesthetic. The blouse boasts an attractive design with tie-up knot details at the back, adding to the ensemble's allure. The beauty complemented her outfit with polki jewelry, incorporating touches of gold and pearls. She accessorized with a necklace, earrings, and gold bracelets, elevating the glamour of her look. Dark lips, shimmering eyes accentuated by bold eyeliner, rosy cheeks, and a matching bindi completed her dazzling appearance. Tamanna opted for a shimmery dual-tone sari by Manish Malhotra, blending shades of blue and purple, elegantly paired with a blue halter neck blouse. Embracing a minimalist approach to makeup, she showcased sultry smoky eyes, a subtle hint of pink blush, and glossy lips, enhancing her ethnic charm. Renowned hairstylist Florian Harrell accentuated her hair's natural beauty by letting her tresses flow freely. Demonstrating understated elegance, she chose to forgo jewelry, allowing her sari to take center stage. Stylist Chandani Vabi deserves recognition for flawlessly curating her appearance. Anupama Parameshwaran made a radiant appearance at the pre-release event of the film, Eagle, captivating everyone with her choice of attire. She donned a charming pastel blue floral sari, exuding elegance and grace. The sari was impeccably paired with a matching sleeveless blouse adorned with exquisite embellishments, adding a touch of glamour to her ensemble. To enhance her look further, Anupama accessorized with a delicate pearl choker and earrings, perfectly complementing the soft hues of her outfit. Her makeup was kept understated yet sophisticated, featuring neutral tones that accentuated her natural beauty. With a flawless complexion and subtle enhancements to her eyes and lips, the actress radiated confidence and poise. Her hair was styled into an elegant updo, adding a touch of sophistication to her overall appearance. As she gracefully walked the red carpet, Anupama Parameshwaran effortlessly stole the spotlight, embodying charm and sophistication. Her impeccable sense of style and attention to detail were evident, making her a vision of timeless beauty at the event. Rashmika Mandana made a striking fashion statement by choosing a stunning Kerala Banarasi woven organza silk sari, accentuated with a contrasting gold border. This elegant sari was expertly paired with a sleeveless brocade blouse, enhancing the traditional appeal of her ensemble. To elevate her look further, Rashmika adorned herself with exquisite statement jewelry pieces, including a dazzling gold neck choker, delicate white stone bangles, oversized gold stud earrings, and eye-catching statement rings. With her bold choice of lipstick and a chic yet simple ponytail, the beauty perfectly complemented her traditional attire, radiating an aura of grace and sophistication. Her meticulous attention to detail and impeccable sense of style were evident in every aspect of her ensemble, making her a vision of timeless beauty and elegance. Kareena Kapoor made a stunning appearance at a recent awards ceremony, radiating elegance in a custom mulberry silk satin sari designed by Kashipra Singh Jadon. The sari boasted a real gold zari laffer border and chintz motifs, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. In a rich shade of carmine red, the heirloom sari added a touch of sophistication to Kareena's ensemble. Paired with a backless blouse styled by celebrity stylist Lakshmi Lair, the halter neck blouse in a matching color added a bold and sexy twist to the traditional sari draped elegantly on Bollywood's beloved diva. The sari was draped to perfection, with the highlight being the unique threadwork and embellishments meticulously crafted to enhance its beauty. The handcrafted motifs, which took 124 hours to create, added a sparkling edge to the overall heirloom sari, showcasing the perfect blend of Indian craftsmanship and glamour. She completed her red carpet look with a simple hairstyle featuring a neat bun and minimal dangling earrings, allowing the sari to remain the focal point of her ensemble. Her appearance was a testament to timeless beauty and impeccable style, captivating all with her grace and charm. For her gorgeous ethnic outfit, Priyanka opted for a white sari adorned with enchanting floral prints in shades of black, green, and brown. The sari featured a black border all around, perfectly complementing the pristine white base. She paired it with a matching deep V-neck sleeveless blouse, adding a modern touch to her traditional attire. In terms of accessories, the actress opted for chic jewelry, including a gold choker necklace adorned with a green emerald, diamond rings adorning her fingers, and a sleek bracelet. Her makeup exuded glamour, with nude eyeshadow, winged eyeliner, mascara-coated lashes, blushed cheeks, and a bold, bright red lip color adding a touch of sophistication to her look. With her luscious locks left open at the center and cascading beautifully down her shoulders, Priyanka completed her glamorous appearance, effortlessly blending elegance with style. Katrina Kaif, often not seen at events, made a notable appearance at a Durga Puja pandal in a striking all-yellow ensemble. The actress donned a brightly colored chanderi sari paired with a blouse in the exact shade of yellow, presenting a simple yet elegant look. This choice was a departure from her usual preference for subtle colors and less extravagant attire. While maintaining a subtle makeup look and sticking to her usual hairstyle, Katrina let the sari steal the spotlight. She wore a raw mango chanderi sari with a metallic tissue border and tissue half pallu, featuring delicate white flowers woven onto it. Accentuating her attire, the beauty adorned a pair of statement bangles on one wrist. Opting for pink glossy lips, natural makeup, and middle-parted straight hair, Katrina effortlessly pulled off the ensemble with minimalistic flair. The simple elbow-sleeved blouse complemented the sari perfectly, adding to the overall charm of her appearance. The sari, known as the Kamla Booty sari by the designer label, is entirely hand-woven, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship and timeless elegance. Let us know in the comments which actress fashion moments is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.